Hi friends, today I show you how to make pizza step by step. Subscribe your channel. Step number 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 204 degrees Celsius. The oven should be piping hot before you start cooking the pizza. 1. Step number 2. Prepare the crust. Remove the unbaked crust from the packaging. Place it on a round or rectangular baking sheet, depending on what you have on hand. Use a pastry brush to spread a thin coating of olive oil over the top of the crust. Step number 3. Spread pizza sauce on the crust. How much pizza sauce you add is purely a matter of personal preference. If you love a lot of sauce, go ahead and slather it on. If you prefer your pizza on the dry side, spoon a little in the middle and spread it around in a thin layer. If you want to make a white pizza, add a little extra olive oil and skip the pizza sauce. 2. You can make a quick pizza sauce using tomato paste, a can of diced tomatoes, and some spices. Simmer the paste and tomatoes without draining them first, together over low heat. Add salt, oregano and pepper to taste. Continue simmering until the sauce cooks down to the consistency of pizza sauce. Step number 4. Add toppings. Layer your favorite toppings over the sauce. Add as many or as few toppings as you want. Put the heavier toppings, like onions, chicken or sausage, on the bottom layer, and add lighter toppings, like spinach leaves or peppers, on the top layer. Continue until your pizza is loaded with the amount of toppings you like. 3. Other than pepperoni and ham, which are pre-cooked, meat toppings should always be cooked before you put them on the pizza. They'll get heated when you bake the pizza, but they won't fully cook. If you're using ground beef, sausage, chicken, or another meat, cook it thoroughly in a pan on the stove or in the oven and drain the grease before you add it to your pizza. Remember that if you add too many vegetable toppings, your pizza crust may turn out a little soggy. The water from the vegetables moistens the dough. Limit the amount of spinach and other watery vegetables you put on your pizza if you're worried about this happening. 4. Step number 5. Add the cheese. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese over the toppings. 5. Layer it on thick if you like it that way, or add a thin layer if you're going for a lighter pizza. Use cheddar if you like. 6. Step number 6. Bake the pizza. Place the pizza in the oven and have it bake for about 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for a few minutes before slicing. Thanks for watching.